What's in the fridge? Hi, little foxes. My name is Fred, and we are going to play a game today. Can you guess what's in my fridge? Listen carefully, then say the word if you know it. What's in my fridge? In my fridge, I have ah, mmm. Ah, mmm. Let's take a look. Ah, ham. What's in my fridge? In my fridge, I have ice. Ice. Let's take a look. Ice. Rice. What's in my fridge? In my fridge, I have cake. Cake. Let's take a look. Cake. Cake. What's in my fridge? In my fridge, I have jam. Jam. Let's take a look. Jam. What's in my fridge? In my fridge, I have apple. Apple. Let's take a look. Apple. Apple. Well done. Bye. See you soon.